All right, we decided to caught some awesome wahoo over the weekend. So we're gonna make some wahoo for dinner tonight. So I'm gonna prep it up. I'm gonna put it in a little marinade. Here's our beautiful wahoo. Holy cow, let me check that out. Absolutely awesome. I cleaned it yesterday. We caught it on Saturday. Today is Monday, so I cleaned it. Got a little bone. I'll cut that up, but I'm gonna cut these into little medallions. So I want them to be about that thick. So about 2 fingers thick wise. Let's put them back in the bag. Get them out of here. Piece here. I've been prepping up already, so I've got a little dill out here. We're gonna do it a little lemon dill like vinaigrette for the marinade. Then we're gonna do a quick kind of pan sear on these. But oh my god, this is, I mean, does it get much nicer than that? I don't think so. I'll cut these up. And in that, I'm gonna add in some extra dill and do a little lemon dill marinade. So I've got some dill in here, little fresh minced garlic. And then I've made a little lemon, garlic, butter, dill, and lemon juice little marinade here. Use that in our marinade. Probably give this about 30 minutes on the marinade. Shouldn't need much more of that. This fish will soak that up, and it's such good fish. We don't want to block the flavors too much. I might hit it with a little extra salt and pepper. Extra salt. Now where's the pepper? Seal this up. Good. Mixy. Make sure got a little of the flavor on all the pieces. And we're just gonna do this in a quick little pan fry. Now we're gonna pull the air out. Oh, take a look at that. I wish you could smell this. It smells unbelievable. Fresh fish, lemon, dill, sauces. Get most of the air out of there. Seal it up and put this back in the fridge to marinate for about 30 minutes while we get the rest of the dinner going. So let's put some oil in the pan, some onions, zucchini, squash. We're gonna get this side item going. A little salt, pepper. This Kinder's garlic butter seasoning is one of my family's favorite. So put some of that on there, some Dano's Original, and a big old pat of butter. We're gonna give it a little toss and let it cook. Let's get our salad going. We've got some romaine lettuce I've just washed and cleaned up. We're gonna cut that up. Also in the bowl, we're gonna put some red onions, cucumbers, and some fresh tomatoes. So don't forget your garlic in your side dish. Give it a little tossy, and we're pretty much finished there. Let's get this wahoo cooking. I've got this pan on medium-high heat, medium heat probably. We've got some oil in the pan, and we got it in there. We don't want to cook this all the way through. This fish is perfect at like a medium well there. You don't want to cook all the way through. It is so good when it's fresh. You can eat this fish raw. A lot of people do and put it on sushi. So, but we're going to cook that. Let's get it out of the pan and make us a little gravy. We're going to put some butter in the pan. We're going to make a lemon gravy here. Stir that up, melt it in. Don't forget to add the lemon to the fish. We're going to put some lemon in the pan. A couple little squeezes here. We're going to let that simmer a little bit, add a little bit of flour, cook off, kind of make our gravy, kind of like a roux. But I'm not going to thicken this up too much, just enough to kind of put some on the fish. So this turned out incredible. My family loves this dish. I had leftovers brought to the office. Everyone loved it. It is so good to have some fresh wahoo. It's such a treat. If you enjoyed this content, please make sure to like the video and follow me, and you will see some new content like this in the near future. See you next time.